Are you ready for another Throwback Thursday? How many of you remember that fabulous bee paper we had a couple of years ago? Well, I have some of it left and I'm playing with it today. Don't forget, you can get your card kit for this one, but there's only 5 kits, so don't wait to order. Link is in the information section below. Let's see what I'm going to do with that bee paper. For today's card, I'm using the lovely U stamp set. I love the sentiments in this set. I use this one so much, and the smile. Just a fabulous stamp set to add to your collection. I chose this flower, and you'll see why in just a minute. I use the scallop oval, well, the oval punch pack, and I use the scallop one to punch out an oval. I have a piece of white, a piece of black. Here's that fabulous bee paper. And now you see why I chose that image, because the top of this is almost exactly like that one. My card base is basic black, and I have a daffodil marker and a basic black marker. I need to find my white paper first. Nope, I think I'm going to do this first. I'm going to take and create a beehive. Now to do that, this is not going to look like it. So I'm going to cut it off right about there. And now I have my beehive. So you can use your oval for a beehive. But to make this look more like a beehive, I'm going to pull in a scrap of paper. I'm going to take and I'm going to use my black marker, and I'm going to add lines to make it look like the hive. So just take your time and go from one side to the other. All right, so there's my beehive. I did not have a bee stamp set current, so I have the set that goes with this. It would have been fabulous to use with it, but I didn't have it. So this is going to go on my card like this, but I need to put my flowers on first. So I decided to mimic my flowers as much as I could with this. The tops of this is gold. The closest I could get to the gold was the daffodil. So that's why I chose the daffodil. And I'm going to color the top of my stamp with my gold. Now, if you still have that stamp set, you can order the kit and play with it and use the bees instead. There is a beehive in the stamp set. So there's my one flower. Now I'm going to add some more. And I'm going to come down some. My yellow is not real bright, but that's okay. All right, I'm going to pull my paper back in to put under here because I'm going to pull this one down. All right, and there it is. And you know what? I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to go higher and not worry about the fact that it doesn't go all the way to the ground, because I can draw the line in. So let me do this. All right. And this will give me an idea of where to put it. So I'm going to put it there. And let's see. I'm going to put my stem right about there. All right, I made it a little thicker. All right, like so. I think I'm going to do another one. I can always draw my stems in. Okay. And I have quite a bit of space at the top, so another one would be a good idea. All right, so now I'm going to go up here All right, and I'm going to use my pen, and I'm going to draw my line like so. And so now I have that flower there. I need the top of the flower over here. So I'm just filling in to make it really full. I don't think much of this is going to be on the card, but just in case it is. And there we have it. All right, now I'm going to use my Memento ink and my sentiment. And what I want to do, all right, I've got to, okay, I'm testing it to see. All right, I don't want this crooked if at all possible. Woohoo, got it. All right, do you have that happen? I have to clean those off every once in a while. Just be careful you don't get it on your card. All right, now this piece is going to go on my black piece, which is missing. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. It's hiding. It's like, oh my gosh, where did it go? I'm just going to wave this to make sure it's good and dry. Now, what you could have done, and I just thought of this, is, let me put this on here. I'm going to pull in my paper again so I can see the black. On my black mat, it's hard to see. What I could have done was use my marker and colored up just B, added another E, some dots, and cuz over there. So if you got that stamp set, that's how you can use it with the bees. All right, let's put our card together. Okay. I didn't add any ribbon, any embellishment, or any of that. If you have any of the, we had bee trinkets that were left, those would be cute on here. I don't think I have any left. I think I used all of mine up, but I can look and see. Let me add this on. And then I'm going to add my beehive. All right, I'm going to put this in the middle. And then this is going to go on with dimensionals. So let me get this ready to go. And I will look for I'm going to have to use my pokey tool after all. I'll look and see if I have any of the bee left. I have to make sure I have enough for the kit, but I don't think I have any left, but we'll see. Okay, give me a minute and let me see if I can find some bee trinkets. I had some. Let me see how many I have left. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm not going to put it on my card so that I have enough for the kits, but I'll show you how you can use yours. You can take one of your bee trinkets and put it on like right there. Isn't that cute? If my neighbor has some, I may borrow one from her. But there's the fabulous the Throwback Thursday idea. Join us next week for another idea. So did you love today's Throwback Thursday idea? Don't forget, only 5 kits. Order yours now. Link is in the information section below. And I have enough bees that I can give you a bee for your card in each kit. Make sure you come back Make sure you check out Amanda's post to see what she did for Throwback Thursday, and then come back next Thursday for another Throwback Thursday idea. Bye.